Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, your boy Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today, let's take a look at this $3 radar detector that I got. The Uniden RD27 radar detector for your Porsche. Yep, you're going to be able to see the cops coming from any direction. You're never going to get a ticket again after you use this thing, my friends. Like many radar detectors that I've seen IRL, well, first off, they're very illegal within the state of Ontario and has not been used. I've seen a few radar detectors. None of them have ever been used. And yeah, let's take a look. We got the charger, and then we actually have the unit. Interesting, it actually has a fuse with it. So, bring her open. Not much to see here. Let's test her out. Now this unit seems to be relatively old, and it's not the best solution that you could use if you want to evade the cops. There's lots of different things that you can use, lots of different things you can get into. Of course, we got the switch on the side, low, high, and now I get to try to figure out how to use it. This is city TV everywhere. So it sounds like if you're in the city with something like this and you got shop fronts up front and center, this thing's going to pick up a lot of different radiation, like for security systems. Beep. That looks like that's exactly what the CTY is. That's for city. If I turn that off, I suppose I should expect to get more interference. Clearly the power of my magical crystals back here is setting this unit off and making it think that there is a police person in the area, because there's no way that this thing should... Could you imagine a tool like this beeping like this all the time while you're driving? That would drive so many people nuts. So enough with that nonsense. Let's tear this bad boy down. It looks like it's just 3 Phillips head screws here on the back. Once again, this thing very illegal within Ontario, so it's probably best that I get rid of it. 3 quick screws. Oh, she opens right up. Interesting motherboard. This looks like a motherboard off of something much older than this. 3 more Phillips head screws. We get to see what is under this aluminum plate. Well, I'm guessing it's aluminum. She looks pretty aluminum. Aluminium. Did you know that aluminum is spelt and said differently in the UK than it is in the USA? It's actually spelt aluminium or something like that. Hey, what's all this then? None of that makes any sense to me. Ow. Well, at least I know where the speaker is now. Huh. No terminals. Uniden. I'm not sure. Is Uniden a good name or a not so good name? Is that a Toshiba? It is a Toshiba chip. It's been a long time since I've seen something that looked so analog. Last time I came across something so analog looking, it was... what was it? It was some type of mountaineering radio, shall we say. Can I even take that off? Oh, this might take a second. Alright, I got it off, but unfortunately, these 2 pieces popped out and I'm not exactly sure where they go. Anyways, yeah, that is a teardown of a radar detector, a police radar detector. That's it for me, folks. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Have a good one. Take it easy. And take care of each other, folks.